Okay, why your website isn't getting you booked. You're talented, you know your craft, and you're ready to help more people. So why aren't the inquiries coming in? Okay, usually it's not because you're not good enough. It's because your website might be accidentally sending the wrong signals. Today, I'm sharing why you might be getting overlooked and the 3 shifts that you need to make, to finally get seen and booked by your dream clients. So are you ready? Here we go. Okay, number 1, you're coming across as amateur. The first reason you're not getting bookings is that you might be projecting a DIY vibe without even realizing it. To fix this, you need to focus on your positioning and your presentation. I say positioning and presentation because one is about the message you send, and the other is how that message looks. No matter how much experience you have, if you're even one step ahead of your potential clients, you're capable of helping them solve their problem. Now, I had a client who wanted me to revamp her wedding signing website. She built it herself, but she wasn't getting leads. When I looked at her website, I found a few dead links, and the whole thing was just giving, DIY vibes. It looked really amateur. But when I talked to her, she was so confident. Like, she wasn't an amateur in her craft at all. But her website just made her seem like one. Even though she was new to business, she knew exactly what she was doing. So, you know what? I was so excited because I knew I could help her translate that talent, onto her website. Okay, here's the thing. No one starts with 10 years experience already under their belt. You just have to, show the value you have right now. You can do this through your brand voice, your photos, and your copy, etc. When you move away from just describing what you do and start showing understand your client's pain, you can write your business pickup line. That's one of the best ways to grab, your potential client's attention immediately. So, for example, instead of just saying, I'm a wedding stylist, you could say, I help high-end couples create editorial-grade weddings without the stress. Or if you're a coach, instead of saying, I offer one-on-one coaching for female founders, you could say, I help overworked founders build automated systems so they can scale without working 60-hour weeks. See the difference? One is just a title. The other one is a solution to a problem. Did you get it? Okay, number 2, your social proof is a secret. Even if you grab their attention with a great hook, you will lose the booking if you're not showing them that you're worth the investment. This leads to the second reason. Your social proof is a secret. People want to know you've helped someone go from A to B. Now, I know some of you might be new and don't have testimonials yet. If that's you, here's what you do. You can ask someone to write a character reference for you. You can also offer a really good deal in exchange for a testimonial. Another thing you can do is create a concept case study. If you're a, say, stylist or a designer, do a project for a ghost client. And then you can show the world exactly what you are capable of doing so they don't have to guess. If you do have client testimonials, you need to blast them all over your website, like literally. Don't just have them at the bottom of your page or hidden in another page. We cannot assume that our potential clients will scroll all the way down because they won't. Remember, users actually don't read a website, they skim through it. Another thing you can do is to use screenshots of messages your clients have sent you. Most of the time, they are even better than the well-written, testimonials because they are more authentic. If you have awards and qualifications, show those off too. Okay, you got it? Okay, number 3, you're waiting for the booking to come to you. My wedding styling client finally started getting noticed, but she didn't get there just by fixing her website and sitting there. The final reason you might be getting overlooked is that you're being too passive. Now, hear me out. Your job is to convince people that you're the best in your field. So to do that, you have to be proactive. And there are two ways to approach this. The freeway, I was going to say, I'm not going to say the freeway, but anyways, the free option versus the pay option. So the free option is about active outreach. For example, you can reach out for collaborations, do style shoots, or build your own portfolio examples to show what you can do. You know, it's always a no if you don't ask. And this reminds me of that quote, opportunities are for those who are prepared. Okay, my client was discovered by a major brand because of a style shoot she did. Had she not posted that content, she wouldn't have been discovered in the first place. Okay, now onto the paid option. This is about fast tracking your results. If you have the budget, you can use Google Ads or Meta Ads to get your business in front of the right people immediately instead of waiting for them to come to you. The thing is, whether you choose the free option or the paid option, all that effort is wasted if people land on a website that still feels amateur. You don't want to spend money or time sending people to a site that doesn't convert them. And that's exactly why I created your dream client website blueprint. I don't just show you where to put your buttons. I actually walk you through how to come up with your own business pickup line, just like the examples I shared earlier. So it's the exact framework I use with my clients to help them structure their website, place social proof correctly, and write copy that actually turns a visitor into a booking. Guess what? You can get instant access to the website blueprint right now, and you can find the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.